How to fix Snapchat camera not opening. So if your Snapchat's camera is not opening, because if you're trying to open Snapchat, you're trying to use the front camera or maybe the back camera, either way it is not working for you, there's a very simple fix to this. Now if you're using the Snapchat app on Android, simply open up settings on your Android phone and go to the option called apps. Now from apps you want to go to the option called app management, and we will of course just search for Snapchat app. The first thing we'll do is we'll go to this option called storage usage, where we can clear the cache files of the Snapchat app. If you're on iPhone, just try to offload the app. Now when you come back over here, second thing you want to go is permissions. Now very careful over here, we have to have the Snapchat app to access our camera permissions, because you can see camera, and if it is set to don't allow, Snapchat won't be able to use your camera. So just turn on this option called allow, and for iPhone you can go to privacy and security and allow the camera permissions. When you've done that, finally go to your Play Store or App Store, check if it has an update, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.